Before you take a stand,
Here are two sides of the reservation debate in just 90 seconds.
in India, 15% reservation is given to SCs, 7.5% to STs, 27% to OBCs, and 10% to economically weaker sections in central government jobs and educational institutions.
That leaves just about 40% for the general category on merit. So the argument against reservation is that it's against the meritorious.
But proponents say reservation is positive discrimination that aims to nullify centuries of discrimination and even untouchability.
Those against reservation say that most big economies like the US consider only merit in crucial positions and look at the pace at which they are growing.
But that's like comparing apples with oranges. Caste is deeply complex in India thanks to the Varna system.
So then why not make income the only criteria for SC/ST reservations, just like the creamy layer in the OBC quota?
But reservation's primary objective was never poverty alleviation. The biggest reason was always social discrimination and not economic.
But in states like Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, almost 50% of SC households don't even have SC certificates. So half of the community cannot even access the very benefits meant to uplift them.
Data also shows us the glaring differences that still exist in economic statuses and representations, and daily headlines show us the ugly reality of discrimination that still exists.
One thing is clear, while reservation can be debated,
Such discrimination has no two sides.